Good morning. This short, gentle yoga stretch is designed to help you feel more open, flexible, and relaxed. Stretching on a regular basis can help ease tension, improve posture, and help you stop those annoying little aches and pains that can creep into your day. This 10-minute practice is perfect if you're looking to release some tension in your body and in your mind. So let's head to the yoga mat. We'll begin in Malasana, child's pose. So just have your big toes together, your knees nice and wide on your mat, and we're going to extend our arms all the way forward and drop our forehead down to the yoga mat. Let's take a nice inhale here through the nose and a big sigh out through the mouth. And again, nice deep inhale through the nose and a big sigh out through the mouth, letting that tailbone drop back to the heels and melting down into the earth. Let's take a nice inhale to come all the way up. We're going to come into our tabletop, and I'd like you to just walk your hands just slightly away from your shoulders, and we're going to make lovely big hip circles all the way round. We can start small at first, and then we're going to get nice and big to really wake up our hips, our wrists, our knees, our shoulders. And we're breathing in and out through our nose as we release all that stress and tension that our body loves to store in our hips. And then let's change direction, other way. Seeing if you can make them just a little bit bigger now. Good. And then let's come all the way back up into our tabletop, keeping those hands away from the shoulders. We're just going to lean our body all the way down, taking our forehead to the mat. And then you're going to take a nice big inhale and you're going to push back and up, dropping that tailbone towards your heels. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, coming all the way forward. You can keep your shoulders and your forehead off this time if you'd like to. And then push back on a nice big inhale, knocking those toes together, nice wide knees on the mat, forehead to the floor in Malasana. Nice big inhale here. And exhale here. And inhale to come all the way up into our tabletop. We're now going to bring our right leg through for Anjaneyasana. Getting a nice deep stretch in that groin. You're going to squeeze your inner thighs together. We're going to inhale and take our hands all the way up into the sky, tilting into that pelvis, really tilting into that left hip. I'd like you to inhale, grab some energy from the sky and drop it behind your head. Seeing if you can get those thumbs to touch the back of your spine. Breathing here. Squeezing those inner thighs together. Nice big inhale. Take the arms all the way up. Exhale, sweep the arms all the way down. We're just going to push back into that left knee. We're up on our fingertips. And we're really trying to stretch this right leg, getting a deep stretch down the back of that right leg, flexing that foot. We're aiming for those toes towards our head. Breathing here. Then we're going to come forward into that right foot and we're just going to take the right hand all the way up to the sky for a nice twist in that spine. Looking to the hand in the sky or the hand on the floor, just depending how you're feeling this morning. And then bring the hand all the way down. Let's take that right leg all the way back to join the left, and you're slowly going to lower yourself all the way down to the floor on your tummy, forehead to the floor. Nice big inhale up to a Cobra and exhale all the way down. And let's inhale to push back and up, touching those toes together to find our Malasana, our child's pose, forehead to the mat. Nice big inhale here and exhale here. And inhale, coming all the way forward into our tabletop to bring that left leg all the way through. Breathing here, getting that deep stretch in the groin, on the right groin. We're going to squeeze our inner thighs together. Inhale, sweep those arms all the way up, tilting into that pelvis, pushing into that right hip. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face. We're going to grab some energy from the sky and we're going to drop it in behind our head. Breathing here. Nice big inhale up. Exhale all the way down, sweeping those arms forward. We're going to push back into our right leg to stretch that left leg, pronging those fingers. Again, if you do this practice on a regular basis, you might want to add props. You might want to pad your knees with a blanket. You might want to use blocks for your hands. And let's inhale, come all the way forward, taking that right hand to the floor and taking that left hand all the way up into the sky. Breathing here, looking to the hand in the sky if it feels good in the neck, or the hand on the floor. Wringing out those organs with this lovely twist. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the hand all the way down. Let's take that leg back down next to the right leg and we're going to lower our body all the way down to the yoga mat once more. Forehead to the floor. And just give those hips a little wiggle. Release the hips. And we're going to come up into a Sphinx. So we're going to take our elbows under our shoulders and our hands out in front of us. Nice vertical lines from the elbows to the middle finger. Breathing here. I'd like you to cross that right hand over in the diagonal if you can. And you're just going to see if you can bring your left heel towards your bottom. And if you can, reach back with that left arm to grab that foot and pull it towards your bottom, pushing down into that left hip to get a lovely deep stretch here. Breathing here. If this is too much for your lower back, you can always bring your forehead down to the mat and even use two arms if you like. And then release. And then other side, take that left arm over on the diagonal, bring that right heel towards the bottom. See if you can grab it with that right hand and pull the foot towards the bottom. Pushing down into that right hip to really feel that deep stretch down your thigh. And release. Take the hands back into Sphinx one more time, relaxing the bottom, forehead all the way down to the floor. Inhale here, exhale here. Nice big inhale, push back and up. We're going to tuck those toes and find our downward dog. Breathing here, creating that lovely diagonal line with our spine and our legs. We're just going to pedal out the feet, pushing down into the ball of the right foot and down into the heel of the left, and then slowly changing just to really stretch out those toes to get them ready for their day two. Stretching them out nice and slowly. And then let's find ourselves back in our downward dog, nice and equal on both sides, relaxing the neck and the shoulders. You're going to walk those feet towards your hands all the way forward, hanging over those legs, really letting go. Give the head a little shake. Make sure it's nice and loose. We're going to bend our knees, chest onto our thighs. You're going to bring your hands to your waist and we're going to flat back up on a nice big inhale, looking forward to flat back all the way up. Inhale up. Lovely. And then let's just face ourselves to the front. We're just going to have our feet in a 45-degree angle under us. Let's bring our hands into our prayer pose in front of our heart. And we're just going to slowly lower our body all the way back down to our mat. Heels lifting if they need to into our Malasana, our Garland pose. Breathing here. Now you're getting a nice deep stretch in the groin area. And even if you want a deeper stretch, you can lean a little bit forward and then push those elbows into your thighs, just under the knees, just to give a little extra stretch in that area. This is also a balance, so really having your focus with those eyes, your drishti. And then release, one hand forward, one hand back. Let's come all the way down into Sukhasana, into easy pose. Let's have our left leg in front, sitting up really lovely and tall. And then we're going to take a nice big inhale, puffing that chest to the sky. And then we're going to exhale and bow all the way forward, dropping that head towards the floor. Breathing here in and out through the nose. And slowly coming back up. Let's change legs. Nice big inhale, puffing the chest to the sky. And exhale, bowing all the way forward. Really letting go in the shoulders, the face, just letting gravity do its thing. Sending your energy down towards the earth. And gently making your way up. Let's bring our hands to prayer pose in front of our heart, Namaskar Mudra. Just gently close your eyes. Our Sankalpa for today, our intention is, I am open, I am flexible, I am ready for my day. I'd like you to say this to yourself silently or out loud. I am open. I am flexible. I am ready for my day. We are open and flexible in our bodies and our minds. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a big sigh out through the mouth. Gently open your eyes. Well done for taking this time for yourself. Namaste. Thank you for stretching with me today. If you enjoyed this practice, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, and if it's possible for you to just take a second to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Thank you for being here. Sending love and kindness.